Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to screenshot on an iPhone XR. But first, I will show you how to screenshot on the older iPhones. So for the iPhone 7 Plus, so it has the home button, so you just hold the power button and the home button and you will get the screenshot. And press it there and you can edit it. So for the iPhone XR, you don't have the home button. So you just need to press the up button and the power button at the same time. Okay, so you can press it here and edit it, same as the iPhone 7 Plus. So you cannot hold it for a long time, maybe 1 second is good because it will turn off. Okay guys, okay, peace out.